Find the value of x and classify the triangle by its angles. We have here straight angle, and we have that the measure of straight angle is 180 degrees. So x degrees plus 70 degrees is 180 degrees. So I will move 70 to the right side, so we have x degrees is 180 minus 70. So x is 110 degrees. So our x is equal 110. We found x, and now we have to classify the triangle by its angles. This angle is 70 degrees. It's acute angle because it's less than 90 degrees. Here this red line means that we have to here square. It means that this angle is right angle, so has 90 degrees. So now it doesn't matter the measure of this angle, because this angle of course is less than 90 degrees, because the sum of triangles, interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So if this angle is 90 degrees and this is 70, is less than 90 degrees, here is 20 degrees. So we have here right angle, so we have here right triangle. One more time, why? Because we have one right angle, so this is right triangle. This is my solution.